Well, gang, we still doing them out, you know what I'm saying, out locations, you know what I'm saying. We about to go pick up something I got for the secret project. You'll figure it out as you see it. But first off, say hello to.
Hold on.
He's waiting. Damn, he didn't look. He supposed to say, Rojo, Greg, what's up, man? The channel ain't seen you in a while. So, you know what I'm saying? We had to steal a little footage of C10. Yeah, we about to go slide now in the truck, man. We're going to get some more content for you, bro. Stay tuned for, you know what I'm saying, we get to the location to pick up the next, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be ready for y'all, bro. We getting on the road. Hey, man, as my boy say, workhouse truck. My boy, what his name is? My boy Big Ty with the C10. You know what I'm saying? Workhouse. You know, they put their C10s to work. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put this one to work, man. We gotta do a little, you know what I'm saying? Get a little prescription for from Big Rojo. Big Rojo. It had a prescription got to be picked up, so we're gonna get that. Get this medicine to it. But you know what I'm saying? We out in DIY. You know what I'm saying? We still working on it. Still got them projects, but we're gonna chop it up a little bit. But we gonna pause this because we gonna be a minute. You know what I'm saying? We ain't ending with pausing. So stay tuned, man. Hold up, man. We're gonna get that started right there real quick. I'm going for this ride real quick. Hey, man. This is where I gotta go through with Greg, man. You know what I'm saying? What's he finna do? We already doing 65, my nigga. 65 in 18 seconds. This running, man. This what he do, man. And now he got me freezing here. Oh, I did left something. My god doggone jack. Don't worry about it. I don't need it. I'm good. I'm in the truck. Back in the gas for him.
We're going to the red first?
Hell no, we gotta go to his house. You forgot? We gotta get the seats.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, they don't play right over here. They ride that lane. You better go while you got time. Hey, man, they gonna give out tickets for that, cuz.
I ain't trying to do that on that time.
Look at this dude. This dude turned up. Now he gonna run out of gas when we get there. I bet you that. I should have drove my car. I thought about it. I should have drove my car with him in case he ran out of gas. He wanna play today.
I gotta have a tank.
Man, but I gotta find a way to put these two videos together because they exited out when I did the other video, the intro part. So I gotta find me an app, y'all. You know, boy, I forgot his jacket, but it's gonna be all right. It ain't that cold. It's all good. He's trying to open the back one on me so I can freeze to death. Boy, he cold blooded. I ain't gonna lie though, man. We gotta get a light enough for him. I don't know what he probably turned that out, man. He clean though. He ain't got none of this stuff working over here. I better put something in there, man.
I just gotta get him that radio.
He still want to put a regular. He still want to put some classic in this mug, but he need to put something in. The only reason I ain't mind recording because I know it wasn't gonna be no music in here, so we good. You know what I'm saying? I think the speakers ain't no good enough, so we're gonna find him some pioneers to put in there. They ain't that much. Help him out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Cause he ain't gonna put no roof in. I don't know what he did with that light cover. I know it wasn't missing. He got a cargo lamp button. But what?
That's for the.
It worked.
I gotta get a
new bulb.
New bulb. I probably get a whole new thing for it.
Oh, you put the LED strip in that mug?
Yep.
Across the back of the what's called? Okay then.
Right, we're gonna get the LED tail lights and headlights too.
He remember he talking about it. He been talking about it. He had the truck about 4 years almost. Hope you ain't got no gas leak, my nigga. We gonna die. How you gonna drop the ashes in the back? You got an ashtray right there, cool. You know your gas. You know your old mo leak gas, and he gonna fry us. All right, be easy, man. That Cadillac ain't worth more than this, but in they mind it is. Yes, indeed, bro. We got some video footage. We out here, and them ain't no shaking with it, bro. She rides smoother than my car, than the Magnum I got from Greg. I don't know. It sounds like he might be low on gas. When the last time you put some gas in? Huh? Boy, you about to hit that truck over there, boy. Coming over, you know what I'm saying? He could have went down the third road, literally. And went straight on in there. It'll be alright. Just stay over. Don't worry about it. If anybody know where a gauge cluster trim is so he can stop doing it, I hate it. It's big pig type shit, man. He got it, but he didn't like that one. Please find one, bro. We need another one for because this is not gonna cut it, dog. I'm gonna tell him about it, so man, he can't do it. He can't be riding like this truck too clean. On the inside, it's better than it's cleaner than a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? Well, not clean as he got some cobwebs and stuff on him. I ain't getting nothing to clean these seats. What's called, dog. I'm telling everybody. Well, I got my seatbelt on, but you know the old truck rock.
I hit the left right into the light.
We gotta keep straight through the light.
Oh yeah.
Hey y'all, we almost at 5 minutes. So we're gonna chop this video down. You know what I'm saying? The first video, I might not be able to add it. I'm gonna get 5 minutes out of this with y'all, but then we're gonna do some footage over there location. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get this content, bro. Content gotta come, bro. I don't know how they're gonna get it. Everything's been sit back and stuff, and I gotta get it somehow, in some type of way.
Like you said, right?
You know what I'm saying? I can't worry about what the next person feel like, and right now I gotta get this footage. You know what I'm saying? All my vehicles that I got building with the footage come on, they sitting up right now. And right now I gotta find alternate. Yeah, I gotta get at least a video a month. I like to get a video a week. But, you know what I'm saying, it costs, and it costs for these videos. And you gotta remember, Tube ain't paying me yet, so every time I buy something, it ain't nothing covered. It's coming out the pocket, everything. You go through the light. So, we're gonna keep this coming for y'all, man. We're gonna keep everything we can coming from you. Content coming at most, man. But, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, we out here. We in the streets, bro. You know what I'm saying? We out moving. See, I can't do this when I'm driving. I don't like doing film when I'm driving, man. But I gotta watch it with Greg, cause he got a little speed demon in the time. I'm about to tell him about someone that got to get off this video about what happened yesterday. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say that for another time, y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Red light, peace out. You dig? Say again, we out. You know what I'm saying?